Hi, I'm Isabel and I'm 17. About a year ago now, I was diagnosed with sarcoma, which is a rare type of bone cancer. So I've been going through chemo radiotherapy. I had my last lot of chemo in October and then had the all-clear scan in November. And I was in school and doing my GCSEs at the time. Obviously going out with my friends, walking the dog. It was just like a tightness in my leg and I felt as if my leg was tensed up constantly, like there was nothing I could do to get rid of it. It wouldn't go. So naturally I thought it was nothing. I thought I'd just pulled a muscle or something because no 16-year-old is going to think like anything worse than that. But when I had felt it, it was rock solid, and that's when I kind of knew something was wrong. So that's when I finally told my mum about it. So the pain got unbearable, like it was horrible. So we went to out of hours at the Royal Grant. The next morning we got a call from out of hours saying the doctor that we had seen the night before was concerned about it and she'd walked to a doctor at the Grange and they wanted us to go there. The pain was so bad I didn't think I'd be able to get through the night. And then I had my MRI the next morning, and then the day after we had the results and they said that it was cancer. I think it was a bit surreal because like no one personal to me has ever had it before, so I was aware of it, but I wasn't like fully, like I had no idea what was going to happen. All my friends and family were in shock for a while too. For me, I'm kind of like it is what it is person, so I don't really worry about stuff. I wasn't too worried about it. I was like, well, if me worrying about it won't change what's going to happen. After Valinda, I went up to TCT at Heath, and that's when I started my chemo. So I was in every 2 weeks, and then in between those 2 weeks, when I'd be home, I would end up with a fever, so I'd be back in. So I was in pretty much every week. I've had 14 cycles of chemo and 6 weeks of radio every day. So I had a lot of fun. I wasn't dreading going to hospital. Like, I was okay because the nurses would they play games with me, they just chat with me. Like, they've all been amazing. Like, there's no way I could ever thank them enough. They literally saved my life. Like, just treat me like I was a normal person. They didn't let cancer identify me. They still saw me for me. About a year ago, I was in a wheelchair and couldn't move my leg. So the fact that I'm now walking, like I have no pain in my leg, it's crazy to me. I went to see my oncologist for the scan results. He said it was all clear. It was just like, I felt like I got a part of my life back, but in a way it's like, my life will never go back to normal again. But I think now I definitely appreciate life a lot more.